Are you looking for a way to beautify your table or mantelpiece for fall, but you don't want to spend a fortune to do it? Then you have come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a really cute farmhouse themed centerpiece for your table or mantle at a fraction of the price that you see in the stores. Hi everyone, it's Sue, and if you like to make budget-friendly DIYs for your home, then click on the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my tips and tricks. So starting with some wax paper to protect my work surface, I got out this piece of black foam core that I had left over from another project, and I also have these tea towels that I got from the dollar store, as well as a variety of chalk paint, foam brush, and this orange pumpkin from the Dollar Tree, and these little tiny pumpkin clips. And I'm also going to be using a variety of fall decor foliage. So I was trying to match the colors in the tea towel, which were sort of a blue and cream peach color. So I thought that I would take the stem off my foam pumpkin and start with a base coat of this bluish chalk paint. Now I covered the whole pumpkin, but I wasn't really too careful about covering up all the spots as I was going to be distressing it later. I ended up putting only one coat on. Well, as you can see, there's still some of the orange pumpkin showing through, but that's okay because I still want a bit of the hint of peach color that's in the tea towel. But I then took this sheepskin color, which is kind of a creamy white, and I put a little bit over top of the blue just to sort of distress it a little bit. Then I let it dry completely. So don't forget to put a little bit of paint on the stem and stick it back in as well. And as you can see, I kind of have this antique-y looking pumpkin, which I thought looked quite pretty. Then I took two of the pumpkin clips and just pulled the pumpkins off of the clips and painted them with a little bit lighter shade, but still that bluey white kind of appearance. While my pumpkins were drying, I just took a metal ruler and an X-Acto knife and just kind of leveled up this scrap piece of black foam core board that I had. Then I laid out the tea towel pretty side down and put the foam core board inside, and then I just used my glue gun to glue down the tea towel to the foam core board, pulling it as tightly as I could. Now you could cut this smaller if you like, but I found that I just wrapped it around and glued it securely and it looked great. So now that we have the base for our centerpiece, just going to use my handy dandy Gorilla Glue as well as some hot glue to glue the large pumpkin in the center of the base. The smaller pumpkins I put Gorilla Glue and hot glue in just to secure it. And also I put a bit of Gorilla Glue on to hold in the stem. Now I had this bag of fake acorns from the Dollar Tree, but you could actually use real acorns if you like, and I just glued those as well as some leaves and a couple of the sparkly leaves all the way around my pumpkins and just made it very festive. If you had fun watching me make this beautiful centerpiece that you can use for Thanksgiving, fall, or even dress it up for Halloween, then you need to click on this next video where you can see a really cute farmhouse themed sign to welcome your guests into your home. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living.